morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome back once again in yoga class. Today we are going to do Surya Namaskar with the proper inhalation and exhalation and holding technique. So first sit in Ardha Padmasana. Keep both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Your back should be straight, your head should be erect, and close your eyes. Start 3 round Om chant. One round Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Naha Prachodayat. Now, rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye, on your face. Now gently open your eyes. In yoga practice, Surya Namaskar is one of the best series which give you a phenomenal stretch, bending, forward bending, backward bending to your body. It is mainly geared to warm your body before you start the practice of other asanas. It is consist of 12 different steps and 8 different asanas, which include 8 different asanas. As whole together, Surya Namaskar give you a phenomenal effect in your body. So let's start Surya Namaskar. So first, stand on your mat. Come in front of mat, both feet together. Your back should be straight. Tuck your tailbone in. Remain standing upright with the feet together. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up above your head. Make Namaskar. Exhale, bring your hand in front of your chest. Namaskar. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up. Now bend little bit back. Arch little bit back. Separate the hands, raise and stretch both the arms above the head. Keep them shoulder width apart. Now inhale and exhale, bend forward from hip until the fingers or palm of hand touch the floor. On the other side of the feet, bend your knee, place your palm on the floor. Now gently straight your knee, drop your head down. Hold this position for the few seconds. Now take your right leg back. Drop your knee, flat your foot. Your head should be up, chest should be open. Fingertips or palm should be on the floor. Look at any particular point. Now hold your breath. Take your left leg back in Dandasana. The body weight should be on your shoulder. Your whole body should be in a one line. Contract your belly in. It is very good for the lower abdominal and belly fat. Hold this position here for the few seconds. Now drop your knee, drop your chest, drop your chin on the floor. Your head, your buttock should be up towards the sky. Palm should be either side of chest. Now slide forward, come in Bhujangasana. Flat your both feet. Your elbow should be straight. Feel the pressure at your lower back. Look up. Hold your position here again for the few seconds. Your knee should be straight. Now tuck your toe in. Raise your middle body up. Come in Parvatasana. Try to flat your heels here completely. Drop your head down. Look here, your navel region. Hold again here for the few seconds. Now inhale, bring your right leg forward between the both palm. Flat your foot of left again in Ashwasanchalan. Now bring your left leg forward between the both palm. You can bend your knee, place your palm completely on the floor, gently straight your knee. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Inhale, raise your arms up above the head, arch little bit back. Separate the hand and raise and stretch both the arms above the head, keeping them shoulder width apart. Bend the head, arm and upper trunk slightly back. Now inhale, come in center. Make Namaskar above your head region. Exhale, bring your hand in front of your chest. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, release your position. This is the one round of Surya Namaskar from the right side. Now we are going to do from left side. Again, inhale, raise your arms up above the head. Exhale, bring your hand in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Now, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, arch little bit back. Separating the hand, raise and stretch both the arms above the head, keeping them shoulder width apart. Now, inhale, come in center. Exhale, bend forward, place your both palm on the floor, gently bend your knee, completely place your palm on the floor. Now straight your knee, drop your head down. Now take your left leg back in Ashwasanchalan. Drop your knee on the floor, flat your foot of left, fingertip or palm should be on the floor, chest should be open, head should be up. Now hold your breath. Take your right leg back in Dandasana. Your whole body should be in a one line and your body weight should be equally distributed on both the shoulders. Now drop your knee, drop your chest, drop your chin on the floor in Ashtang Namaskar. Your buttock should be up towards the sky. Now slide forward, come in Bhujangasana. Raise your head, chest up till the navel region. Flat your foot should be together. Your knee should be straight. Now from here, tuck your toes in, raise your middle body up, come in Parvatasana. Flat your heels on the floor completely. See here your navel region. Just continue, breathe here. Now bring your left leg forward between both the palm. Your fingertips or your palm should be on the floor. Your right foot should be flat. Knee should be on the floor. Look up. Now tuck your toe in. Bring your right leg forward between the both palm. Drop your head completely down. Now inhale. Raise your arms up. Arch little bit back. Feel the pressure at your lower back. Keep your arm straight, elbows straight. Now inhale. Come in center. Make Namaskar above your head region. Inhale. Bring your hand in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Now from here, inhale. Raise your arms up. Exhale. Release your position. So this is the Surya Namaskar, a second round from the left side. Today we are going to do Brahmari Pranayam. The Bhramri is derived from Bhramra, which means black bee. During the practice of this pranayam, the sound produced resembles the buzz of a black bee. So, please avoid the practice in case of nose and ear infection. Now, sit in any comfortable pose. Close your ear with your index finger. And now, you have to inhale, and when you exhale, you have to create a sound of humming bee. Now, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale, create a sound of humming bee. Again, inhale. Inhale. Again, inhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Continue this practice 5 to 8 rounds. Deep inhale and exhale, create a sound of humming bee. The practice of Bhramri relieves stress and help in elevating anxiety, anger and hyperactivity. It is a great technique for management of stress related disorders. It is useful for concentration and meditation. Continue deep inhale and exhale. Create a sound of humming bee. Complete your round. After completing your 5 to 8 round, sit in Gyan Mudra. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face.